So I'm gonna test my differential settings here because I believe it is the 4.38 diff rear diff that this Datsun has. But so I've marked on the drum here. I put a line on the drum and a line on the backing plate. I've got my rear axle shafts with new U-joints installed. I do not have the rear drive shaft going into the rear diff yet. So I've got this marked here, and then if you see underneath here, I have got a mark on the rear diff input there as well. And we're gonna turn the drum one time around, and that should turn this input shaft 4.38 times around, if everything is correct. So I'm just gonna set up the camera so we can see as I turn this thing around. One second. All right, hopefully that's set up good. We'll go out here and we'll give it a spin, literally. Okay, starting now. So that's about a quarter. And that's about a half. And that's about another quarter. A little bit more. That is one full turn on the drum. So as you can see in the video there, it definitely turned more than 4, less than 4.5, so it was just over 4 1/4. So I'm gonna have to say that this thing has got the 4.38 rear diff. I know 3.9 is another one that seems to be common upgrade on these ones, but yeah, it's definitely more than 3.9 turns. So without taking it all apart, I'm calling that a 4.38.